Meaning of derision.
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 Derision. Derision is the act of mocking or ridiculing someone or something. It can take the form of verbal taunts, gestures, or other forms of expressions that belittle a person or an idea. The result of derision can be devastating for the targeted individual, leading to a decrease in self-esteem and confidence. Derision often stems from a sense of superiority or a desire to undermine others to feel better about oneself. It is a harmful behavior that can perpetuate a cycle of negativity and should be avoided in all circumstances.